Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Fluidly Living. Today is going to be the first video in a series of spring planting videos from my small patio garden in Zone 9B in Northern California. Today we're going to be planting Bouquet Dill, which is an easy growing plant. I got these seeds from the Seed Mail Seed Company. If you're interested in this minority owned company, I will add the information in the description box below. Just add a comment and I'll include the information. It grows 24 to 36 inches tall. The seeds can be harvested for pickling, and the leaves can be used for meats, soups, and salads. It loves low performing soil. You can plant your seeds 2 to 4 inches apart, and it loves at least 8 hours of full sun. So today we're going to plant them. I'm going to plant a few in this pot, which I've already prepared with some cactus mix and regular potting soil so that it's fairly dry. We have to plant the seeds 1/8 to 1/4 inch in the soil. So let's get started. Let me see. Take a glove off so I can really feel because the seeds are really small. So we're just going to make a small hole all the way around. I'm going to plant quite a few so that I can make sure I get germination. And then we're going to lightly cover with soil. And I'm probably going to put 2 seeds, since they're hard to grab, especially per hole. I'm just going to make my way around the pot like that. So my holes are a little deep, but I will put some seeds in the hole and leave it. I'm going to leave it in a sunny place. So we're coming out of our really cold, wet winter. For the next 10-day forecast, we're supposed to have temperatures during the day in the 60s. So I'll just lightly cover these, and in 7 to 21 days, we'll have germination, hopefully. So I will update you guys. I'll water this in a little bit. And you guys will see when it germinates. I will update you guys. Okay. And that's it. We have our Bouquet Dill. We can expect to see some germination in about 3 weeks at the latest. Thank you guys for visiting my channel. Click the notification bell so that you can be informed of when my next part 2 video comes online. We're going to work on planting okra, and hit the like and subscribe. It helps to build the channel. I appreciate you guys. Leave your comments below. I love to hear from you guys if you're planting dill this season. See you later.